Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by proving this is your device. Unlock it and sign in with the admin account. Once done, open Settings and use the search field to type passwords or accounts so you don't hunt menus. Make sure to authenticate immediately when prompted, PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock, because the system hides credentials until you confirm identity. Doing this prevents accidental exposure of others' data and ensures you can access the stored passwords section securely and quickly. Once inside the passwords area, scan the list for the service or Wi-Fi network you need. Entries are sorted alphabetically or by app. You'll tap the specific account entry to see details. The password field will typically be masked with dots. To reveal it, use the clearly labeled Show button or the eye icon. This triggers a second authentication step on most systems. Doing this confirms it's you and explains why systems require re-verification before exposing sensitive text. After revealing the password, read it carefully and copy it directly into your password manager instead of a plain note. This maintains security. If you need to use it immediately, paste it into the login field. Make sure characters like capital letters and symbols match. If nothing appears, try toggling sync or updating the OS because sometimes entries fail to sync across devices. As a single tip, if the entry is missing, check the primary account that stores passwords, such as your browser or cloud keychain, and re-authenticate there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.